The best vacuum cleaner for the kitchen is an essential household item. But with so many options to choose from, how do you know which one is right for your home? The 5 models below are some of the best vacuum cleaners for kitchen floors and other flat surfaces. Whether you need to clean your kitchen deep every day or only do spot cleaning here and there, you'll find the perfect vacuum to help you keep your kitchen floors spotless and sanitary.
Welcome to Top5Cart. We are product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research new products, and create a list of the top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative product ideas so that viewers may know about new products. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Subscribe to our channel, where you can find the best possible reviews on a wide variety of the newest products available.
Number 5. BLACK+DECKER HSVB 420J. BLACK+DECKER's Power Series cordless stick vacuum is a versatile cleaner that makes cleaning up quick and easy. This 2-in-1 design allows you to clean your floors and then use the power brush to clean above the floors. With its LED lights, folding handles, and beater bar detaching, it's a perfect fit for any home. Stop vacuuming your house on your hands and knees. Buy a BLACK+DECKER Power Series cordless stick vacuum today. Number 4. Dyson Cyclone V10. Dyson Cyclone V10 vacuum cleaner. Manufactured by Dyson, an award-winning company recognized as the leading vacuum cleaner manufacturer in the world. Clean your house deep and powerful with the Dyson Cyclone V10 vacuum cleaner. As one of their newest models, it has fade-free power for up to 60 minutes of suction and is engineered for deep cleaning homes with pets. This is a fantastic machine that you can use on carpets and floors without having to switch attachments. Number 3. Shark NV360. Give your carpets and bare floors a deep clean with the Shark NV360 Navigator Deluxe Upright Vacuum. No need to lug around heavy cleaning equipment. This vacuum offers powerful suction thanks to its anti-allergen complete seal technology with a HEPA filter that traps dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner while still letting air circulate freely. For pet owners, there is nothing more frustrating than finding pet hair on your furniture after vacuuming. This vacuum is made for them because it comes with a powerful pet hair pickup attachment like the upholstery tool that gets rid of pet hair without any hassle. Don't let your carpet suffer from dirt, grime, and fuzziness any longer. Purchase this vacuum cleaner today. Number 2. Bissell 2747A PowerFresh. It's finally time to invest in a vacuum that can handle your home with ease. The Bissell PowerFresh is a vacuum and steam mop, giving you 2 cleaning options in one lightweight device. It offers a powerful, cyclonic vacuum for capturing dirt and debris in all the corners of your home. Plus, the steam mop heats up water on demand so you can easily sanitize your floors with powerful steam, eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria without the use of chemicals. It has easy-touch digital controls so you can switch between vacuum mode, steam mode, or both, making it super easy to clean any floor type including hardwood floors, tile floors, area rugs, carpets, even furniture. Give yourself some much-deserved peace of mind by investing in a Bissell PowerFresh vacuum and steam mop today. Number 1. Hoover WindTunnel Max UH30600. The Hoover WindTunnel Max Bagged Upright Vacuum Cleaner is equipped with WindTunnel 3 technology, which channels suction to lift and remove dirt from both surfaces and deep down into carpets. This vacuum also features a HEPA filter that traps 99.7% of dirt, dust, pollen, and allergens down to 0.3 microns. This vacuum cleaner can also be used above floors to reach ceilings, fans, and crown moldings. Never touch a dirty vacuum bag again with one-touch release technology. Embrace clean living with the Hoover WindTunnel Max Bagged Upright Vacuum Cleaner.